It is your boy, the one and only Offense Mhosi, otherwise known as Market Killer himself. And in today's video, I'm just going to teach you guys a simple but effective strategy that can be effective for you as a trader. And what I like about this strategy is that you can implement it on any type of market that you want. Doesn't matter whether it's the Forex market, the stocks market, or whatever market that you're trading, man. This strategy, it can be effective for any type of market. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to implement the strategy in order to make money. But then before we get into the video, make sure that you guys are signed up with EXNESS. This is my recommended broker for all the small accounts out there. It doesn't matter whether you're trading with a 200 rands account, a 300 rands account, a 400 rands account, man, it really doesn't matter. EXNESS is one of the most smooth platforms that I know when it comes to growing a small account, because of genuinely speaking, man, growing a small account is one of the most hardest things that you can do in this game. And in order to do that, you need a good broker by your side. So if you guys want to sign up with EXNESS, the link is in the description. But then without any further waste of time, man, let us get straight into the business like we always do. Yes sir.
I'm not used to this, living a life of bliss, this ain't no artifice, the change was pretty swift, cause I really land exchanging dollars with the rents. I don't even need the land, all I do is finesse. I saw the Facebook post, I never hesitate, and now I can't believe I'm shocked by how much I'm making. I hardly sleep, I always rest.
Right, so welcome back to the video. And yeah, man, as I told you guys previously, that I'm going to teach you guys a simple but effective strategy that can be effective for you as a trader. But then one thing that I would recommend before we continue with the video is for you guys to go and watch this video somewhere on the screen right here, because of it involves more of what we're going to dive deep into this video, which is price action. If you guys are not familiar with price action, I would suggest you guys to go and watch that video right there, so that you can have an idea of how price action works, because of this strategy right here. It mostly works with price action. And the strategy that I'm going to teach you is 3 market phases. Some of you guys may or may not know it, but this is one of the most underrated strategy, and I've never ever seen most of the traders use this strategy. But then in today's video, I'm just going to show you guys how it works, because of it is one of the most underrated but effective strategies. So what you need to know is that the market moves with price action. Right? So let's say we are in an uptrend right there, where the market is creating what? An impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, an impulse. So in most cases, what we usually do is that we identify our trends right there. That is our supporting trend, and this right here is our resisting trend. So in most cases, what we expect once you get a breakout is for the market to do what? To give us a breakout, and then give us a retest, and then give us those selling opportunities until this level right there, where the market started with the trend. So most of the time, that is the scenario. But then what the market likes to do is that once we have an uptrend or a downtrend, but then in this scenario, let us first focus on an uptrend. So let's say we are experiencing an uptrend right there. So what you need to understand is that this is the first phase right here. The strategy is called the 3 market phases for a reason. It has 3 phases, and this is the first phase right there. The first phase, we experience an uptrend. As you guys can clearly see, we had some nice price action movements heading to the upside. This right here is the first phase, known as an uptrend. So as I told you guys, most of the time we anticipate the market to give us a breakout and a retest. But then most of the time, what the market likes to do is that after we experience an uptrend, is that we might experience a consolidation, or it is commonly known as a range, but then I'll stick with consolidation, because that is exactly what the fuck I call it. So as you guys can clearly see, we had an uptrend right there, and then we experienced a consolidation, where we had a nice support area right there. And then we also had a nice resistance level right there. So as you guys can clearly see, this was our first phase, where we had an uptrend heading to the upside, and the market did what? It created a consolidation, or you can call it a range. And this right here is known as as the second phase. So the first phase is a trend, the second phase is a consolidation, and then the third phase is now followed by by the opposite trend. So since this first phase right here, it was an uptrend, meaning that the market might do what? It might give us a breakout on our support level, and then give us a nice down trend. So this right here is known as what? S3 market phases, where we had the first phase, which is an uptrend, and the second phase, which is a consolidation, and the third phase, which is a what? Which is a downtrend. And this strategy is one of the most underrated strategies, and I'm going to show you guys on US30 how we caught these trades, how we use the 3 market phases in order to make money. So this is how 3 market phases work. As you guys can clearly see, we had a nice uptrend right there, which is our first phase, and then we also had a consolidation, which is our second phase, and then it was followed up by our third phase, which is a downtrend. So vice versa, if we had a downtrend right here, where we had a nice impulse correction and impulse, a correction and impulse and a correction. In most cases, we would do what? We would identify our trends. That is our resistant trend, that is our supporting trend, and most traders would anticipate the market to do what? To give us a breakout, a retest, and the market can continue until this level right here where the market started, which is known as a 90% full. But then what the market likes to do is that, yes, it can give us that trend right there. Let me just do this, let me clear this up. The market can give us a downtrend right there, and then it can be followed by by a consolidation, where the market ranges in between our support and resistance areas, and then it is then followed by by an uptrend. As you guys can clearly see right here, we had the first phase, which is a downtrend, and then the second phase, which is our consolidation, where we had a nice support and resistance right there, and the third phase is our uptrend. So the first phase is always a trend, the second phase is always a consolidation, and the third phase is also a trend. So that is how 3 market phases work. This is one of the most important strategies, and it is one of the most underrated strategies that we have. And what I like about this strategy, as I told you guys previously, is that you can implement this strategy. It doesn't matter on any type of market, whether it's the Forex market, the crypto market, it really doesn't matter, man. This strategy is one of the most effective strategies. But then now let me go on to the charts and show you guys exactly how you can apply this strategy and how you can make money. So now let us move on to the charts and show you guys how to apply this strategy and how you can use the strategy in order to make money. And I'm specifically going to be focusing on US30, and as you guys can clearly see, man, this is self-explanatory. I don't even have to explain it to you guys. As you guys can clearly see, this is a simple but effective strategy. This is what I like about it, man. This is a simple but effective strategy. So as you guys can clearly see, man, on US30 we experienced our first phase, which is our uptrend. As you guys can clearly see, we experienced some nice price action movements, where we had an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, an impulse, a correction, and then it was followed by by an impulsive movement. This is why I say you guys need to understand how price action works, and you guys can go ahead and watch the first part which I talked about price action. Because of this strategy, it involves price action, man. So if you don't know how to trade price action, this will basically be a useless video for you. So I recommend you guys to go and watch that video first, and then you guys can come back here. So as you guys can clearly see on US30, this was our first phase right here, which is an uptrend, and then it was followed by by our second phase, which is a consolidation, where we had a support level right there and a resistance right there, and then the market did what? It eventually created a downtrend right there. And as you guys can clearly see, man, we've been chopping this downtrend right here. I did catch some oops, sorry about that. But then as I was saying, man, US30, the market did eventually give us a breakout, and then I did catch my entries right there. I did place a few entries. My stop loss was just above, and then my take profit was right on this level right there. And then yeah, man, we've been killing US30 since then. I could have held those trades right there until this level right there, but then since I'm a scalper, I go in and out. You know what I'm saying? I can't hold my trades for a long period of time, man. Some of us have things that we need to deal with, man, when it comes to our money. You know what I'm saying? But then yeah, man, US30, as you guys can clearly see, man, this is a simple but effective strategy. And as you guys can clearly see, man, I want to show you guys, we did send this signal right here. as you guys can clearly see on our Telegram group. If you guys want to trade with us, this is our exclusive Telegram group. If you guys want to trade with us, the link is in the description. You can go ahead and join our community groups where we send exclusive signals and exclusive information that can enhance you to become a better trader. And as you guys can clearly see, man, this was the US30 signal. As you guys can clearly see, man, there's some nice three market phases where we had an impulsive move, and then we came for a correction, and then we experienced the what I mean, this is not a correction, this is a consolidation. Yeah, a consolidation, that is the word that I'm looking for. And then we eventually got a breakout, creating our third phase, which is a downtrend. So I'm basically giving you guys a signal for next week on what I'm looking at on US30. I'm still looking at those selling opportunities until we can reach this level right here, because of this is the start of our trend. And yeah, man, it is as simple as that. It is not complicated. This strategy is the most underrated strategy, but then it is effective. Once you know how to apply the strategy, I'm telling you, you will make a lot of money. So yeah, man, that's how it is. If you guys want to trade with us, the link is in the description. Go ahead and join our exclusive communities. And then also, if you guys want to learn how to trade with us, I would suggest you guys to join the Forex Mastery Blueprint. This is my course right here. As you guys can clearly see, it says transform your skill set. If you guys want to transform your skill set, if you guys want to learn how to make money, I would suggest you guys to join the Forex Mastery Blueprint. As you guys can clearly see, we have every single tool that you need in order to master your forex trading journey. As you guys can clearly see, we have everything. We have price action, we have support, we have the harsh truth about forex, we have market, and we have everything for you guys, man. So if you guys want to trade with us, if you guys want to learn how to make money, go ahead and join the Forex Mastery Blueprint. The link is in the description. But then yeah, man, that is how it is. US30, this is how three market phases work. As you guys can clearly see, man, there's nothing different. Let me just go to my diagram right here. As you guys can clearly see, there's our first phase right here. There's our first phase, our second phase, and there's our second phase. And remember, our second phase is always a what? It's always a consolidation, or some people may call it a range. And then our third phase is always followed by the opposite trend. So if the market starts with an uptrend, and then we know that our second phase, it has to be a consolidation, and then the third phase, it has to be a downtrend, since our first phase was an uptrend. So that is how it works, man. I don't want to complicate it. It is simple as that. That is how the market phases works. And don't forget to sign up with EXNESS. This is my recommended broker for all the small accounts, as I told you guys in the beginning. But then yeah, man, that is how it is. Three market phases. I don't have anything to say to you guys at all, except have a wonderful week, have a profitable week. And if you guys want to trade with us, go ahead and join our exclusive community groups. But then, wishing you guys a profitable week. Let us make money like we always do. Market Killers, your mentor, signing out.
Please don't ask me what my G's at. I'm a Forex trader, I'm a Forex trader, I'm a Forex trader, yeah, I'm a Forex trader, I'm a Forex trader, I'm a Forex trader, I'm a Forex trader, yeah. Nigga, see you later, nigga, see you later, nigga, see you later, yeah, later, alligator, nigga, see you later.